We all get really like, oh my god, I don't want to go to the gym, or I don't want to go for my workout or a run or whatever. But no, there's never been a bad workout. Like you'll never work out and after that be like, I hated it. You'll actually love it. So for me, I would look forward to my bhindi and my salmon and my pumpkin. Those are the things which I love. I'm not very conscious of this is the angle. I let my team behind the camera tell me, you
have somebody looking into that. Tell us a little bit about your fitness journey. Have you like always been been this kind of fitness conscious about like working out and doing whatever, or is it just because of the movies?
Okay, touch wood, honestly I've not been on the heavier side. I do put on weight and lose it equally fast. Growing up, I loved dancing and swimming, and I would constantly be doing some form of physical activity after school. But when I got into the movies, I consciously made an effort to make it a part of my routine. And just like you brush your teeth or do anything else, I said, no, I have to take out that 1 hour and do something. Yeah. And I feel like, I read this somewhere where it says, we all get really like, oh my god, I don't want to go to the gym, or I don't want to go for my workout or a run or whatever. But no, there's never been a bad workout. Like you'll never work out and after that be like, I hated it. You'll actually love it. Yeah. So finally, I think because you've experienced that, you know that it's just about getting yourself to the gym or to the track or to the dance class or wherever you have to go, whatever form of workout you like doing. And I'm not somebody who can do like fat diets or like keto or intermittent. The healthiest I do, which you've seen on set, is like eating ghar ka khana, and for me it's boiled without too much masala, and it's usually the same food which I genuinely enjoy eating. So for me, I would look forward to my bhindi and my salmon and my pumpkin. Those are the things which I love.
Kiara, on screen fitness और off screen fitness दो अलग-अलग चीज होती हैं. तुम कितनी particular हो screen पर? I know all this, but our listeners don't, because I've worked with you, so I know like how you are on set. But like screen पर, like which angle you have to be standing at, your face or your body. Are you that type who's going to get into it or no?
No, not really. I've not been super conscious about. Maybe I should be. Sometimes when I look back at my films, I'm like, I thought I was looking my best there, but actually, because you do look slightly, how they say, the camera puts on a little bit of weight. But then some people like you fuller, some people think it's never enough. You're either too thin, too fat, so long as you're happy, that's important. So I think I'm not very conscious of this is the angle. I let my team behind the camera tell me,
you have somebody looking into that.
I think
you have a flat tummy, it's fine. So till now, Kiara, तुमने कभी किसी role के लिए अपनी body पर काम करना पड़ा है? And would you like gain weight for like a Bridget Jones' Diary kind of film or something?
I would love to. I haven't had to. I've always played the girl next door so far. But I would love to, and I'd really love to do an action film where I have to get those abs and I have to get those toned legs. And just like flaunt it and do all of that and do all the tricks and like do gymnastics, because it's something which I feel you'll take it even more seriously when you're working towards that role. But if I had to put on weight, I mean, getting paid to eat, why not? Definitely.
Yeah, so you're open to taking up the challenge for different roles.